Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talie and I'm back with another video. So today I will be sharing with you two ways you can use to feed in braids while flat twisting your hair. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And from our old subscribers, go on big up on yourself. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified whenever I post. Let's get into it. Now we're going to start off by using the crochet method. Now this method is very easy and straightforward. Just pay close attention, guys. Now, separate and apart from the fact that this style is very easy, it also gives a different feeling when it comes on to the color that we decide to use. Now, you know us ladies will love to see the colors, but at the end of the day, we don't really want to add the chemical because we don't really want damage our natural hair. Now, this kind of style is for you. So if you want a little peekaboo kind of vibe there with a little color that's not peep through your hair, then you can try this method also. Now we're on to method number 2, and this is the actual way of feeding in the braid. So we're going to start by flat twisting a section of our hair, then we're going to add the braid, and then we twist until we're through. Now for this kind of peekaboo, you know, some of us who are conservative, the conservative females, if you want a little color but you don't want too much, this style is for you. Now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!